Hi there, Steve Lawrence, drum teacher, and what you're looking at here is the printout of what we call a single stroke roll, which is the #1 rudiment of the Percussive Arts Society 40 rudiments. So this is #1. This is the most basic rudiment, alternating sticks, alternating hands. Exercise #1, as you can see, is just right, left, which is what most righties would use. And then #2 is lefties would start with the left, but it's the same thing. Now, my old drum teacher used to say, it doesn't matter which hand you start with. But what we do is practice this rudiment from a slow to fast procedure. I'll demonstrate. That's pretty much it. As we proceed, I don't know if you noticed, but we like to lower the sticks as we increase speed. Thank you. See you for the next one.